In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer memberships and packages online with paid plans using the Wix platform. If you're looking to create an online space where you can offer exclusive memberships or package deals, Wix provides an easy toolkit to get you started. You don't need to be a tech whiz to follow along. I'll guide you through each step to help you establish a successful online membership service. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Wix website editor. Once you're there, locate the Add Apps button. This feature is your gateway to a treasure trove of functionalities that can enhance your website. Adding apps is a crucial step because it expands the capabilities of your site, allowing you to offer additional services like paid plans. Now, in the search bar, type in Wix Pricing Plan. This powerful app is specifically designed for creating and managing pricing plans tailored to your business needs. Installing it will make it easier to manage your memberships and packages moving forward. Once you find the Wix pricing plan, click on it. This action will display more information about the app and its features. It's worth taking a moment to read through the description to understand what the app can do for you, ensuring it aligns with your business objectives. Next up, go ahead and click Add to Site or Open. This step effectively integrates the app with your website, allowing you to begin crafting your membership offerings. The integration process is usually seamless, but if you encounter any issues, Wix's customer support or community forums can be valuable resources for troubleshooting. Once the app is successfully added to your site, it's time to manage your plans. When you click on Manage Plans, you'll be presented with a variety of options to customize your membership offerings. This is where the magic happens. You can define what each plan offers, set pricing, and determine the duration of each package. Think about what your customers would value most and design your plans accordingly. Now it's time to create your first plan. Click on Create Plan and start filling in the details. Give your plan a catchy yet informative name, so potential members immediately understand what they're getting. You'll also want to specify what's included in the plan, any perks members might enjoy, and set a competitive price point. Remember, clarity and transparency in your plan can encourage more signups, so don't skip on the details. And there you have it. You're well on your way to offering memberships and packages online using Wix's paid plans. It's a powerful way to engage with your audience, build community, and generate revenue. So take your time to explore the available options and tailor them to fit your brand perfectly. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating!